Good day to all the employers in Hong Kong. My name is Maribel Cantas, 52 years old, married, and blessed with 3 kids. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 16 years, and my duties are look after the children, preparing and cooking the meals, wash the dishes, cleaning the house, marketing, doing the laundry, ironing, gardening, car washing, and many more. And I prepared to work alone, and my prepared job is to look after the children. And to my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. And I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Please check my profile in Helper Library app.